understood a word they said.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing some fall DIYs using Dollar Tree items, using all kinds of items, you guys. But before I get started, this video is sponsored by Arteza. They are this really awesome like art company online. They sell all kinds of stuff. They sent me a few things that they thought that would be great for my channel. And I really appreciate it because they kind of make me think out of the box. So they send me items that I know that I'll use, but like I have to think of like what I'm gonna do with it. Obviously, the things that they send me kind of get grouped all into one, so it all kind of like goes with everything. So I haven't opened anything yet, haven't tried anything out, but I will be kind of reviewing it and giving you guys my thoughts and everything throughout the entire video. So the first thing that I'm like staring at on my lap is this. It's a 30 vibrant color, strong adhesive, and it's reusable, and it is felt. So it has all different kinds of felt. There's 30, like I said, 30 sheets. And I guess I'm just gonna kind of like open it. I think they're pretty thick, and these are really nice. They're like a really nice quality. I really like the adhesive idea of it. I think that's really cool, because instead of using glue, it's already there for you. So I really like that idea. Like I said, there's like a ton of different colors. That's really neat. The next thing they sent me were these fabric markers. There's 30 of them. I think this will work really good with this felt for some kind of fall DIY. I have never honestly used fabric markers before, so I'm pretty excited to test them out. So there is a thicker side of this marker, and there is a thinner side of this marker. So I think that's pretty cool. I'm really excited to try these and see how well those work and see how my handwriting works, because I have terrible handwriting. The next thing they also sent me is these big felt fabric sheets. These are not adhesive, but they are stiff, and I am excited to try these out. I actually, as soon as I received these, knew exactly what I wanted to do. There is all kinds in here. This is so neat. So there is like, I'm just gonna take these out because I kind of want to show you, because I won't be using all these. So if you guys do want to check them out, I will leave all their links in the description box below. So you get like just the plain like felt sheets, but then when you look in here, there's like shiny gold, shiny silver. They have like, oh man, I don't think you can see it. There's glitter on this one. There's a glitter sheets of like purple and black, and oh my gosh, that is just, it's like they're like hidden treasures in here. So it looks like the rest of them are just plain sheets, and in this you get 50 of these sheets. So I thought that was really cool as well. The other thing that they sent me was some good old glitters. I have an idea for this that won't be like super messy. I thought they came in really cute little jars. You get 54 colors in here. So it looks like this when you open it, and this is what the little tubes of glitter look like. I think it's so cool. There's just so many. So you can, I mean, I love this orange color for fall. It's called burnt orange. There is pure copper. There's like all kinds of super cool, there's just all kinds of glitter in there. And then the last thing they sent me was a quilting cutting mat, I think is what it's called. So this is really big, and I will leave the link of like how big it is. I can't off the top of my head. Well, 23 inches long, 23 by 17. So this is how big it is. So it comes with this. It also comes with a big giant ruler, and then it also comes, so it comes with a big ruler like this, and then it also comes with a rotary cutter, and it comes with 3 rotary blades. So I think that's a really cool thing. I've never used any of this, so I am like by far like super excited to like cut my fabric super like a clean cut. So you guys, I'm gonna show you what I'm going to be making with all of this stuff. For my first DIY, I'm going to be using this picture frame from Dollar Tree, these wood dowels, also from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be painting this frame white. I did plan on leaving it black, but I totally changed my mind because I did want to use a black felt instead, and I didn't want black on black, so I'm just painting it using the Waverly chalk paint in white, and I did do 2 coats of this. And now this is just like the adhesive felt, and I love this. I'm also using the rotary blade and the mat. This thing cut my finger. Like, that's why I have band-aids all over, because I cut my finger. It is so sharp. So if you guys do own one, you guys already know that. If you don't and you want to own one, just make sure that you watch your fingers, because if I was rolling it on top of my finger, I totally would have cut it off. But anyways, I'm just taking the strips of the felt and I'm just putting them over the top of the wood dowels. The back sides did not cover, or I wouldn't have had enough of this black felt. But I love how it just peels right off, and Presley helped me take the back off, so it was really easy, and she really helped me out a lot. So yeah, like I said, the back did not cover because I wouldn't have had enough black felt, because it only came with 1 piece of black. And then I'm just putting these inside the frame. I didn't even have to cut the wood dowels or anything. That was so amazing. Although they were a little short, but the felt did kind of make everything snug. I wish I would have put 1 more dowel in. I still think I might, because I do have a little bit extra of this felt. But so you will see like a tiny, tiny little gap at the top, but it's okay. I was so unsure how I was going to do this to begin with, but I am super happy I did this. This little letterboard turned out so cute. I didn't have any other letters except the little letterboard I bought from the Dollar Tree. I had yet to open it, and I didn't even realize it was foam. It was terrible quality, but I did like the letters, so I did want to use these letters in my little letterboard. I think this turned out really, really cute.
Kept running in the woods alone and still. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Try to keep it up and standing tall. Why don't you stay, 'cause I could really.
This next DIY, I think I have seen other people do this. I'm not sure if they actually used this, but anyways, I'm using this fleece, a baby blanket. It is this little buffalo check in white and gray, and I'm just going to fold it in half, and then I'm just going to cut it right down the middle, and I'm going to be making 2 no-sew pillows. I don't know how to sew. I didn't really even know how to make these pillows, but I tried. So I folded it in half, and then I folded the 2 pieces in half once more, so I cut it in 4 squares. So you guys, the biggest thing that I know I messed up on was using scissors. So I just used a dull pair of scissors. They didn't cut very well, and I wasn't cutting this even. So you will see me go back through. So like I said, this is how it was cut in half, and then I cut it in the middle. I used the rotary blade. This is actually where I cut my finger. I just kind of did a little bit of twisting around with my editing. So you see my band-aids on my finger now. I know you guys probably don't even care that I cut my finger, but regardless, don't use scissors. This blade is the best thing I own. It cut through this so easy, made it so simple to do, and it's all perfect. So you guys, I'm just taking a hot glue gun and gluing around the edges. I just glued around 3 of the edges because I'm just going to use some pillow stuffing, and the girls helped me stuff the pillows.
Try to make it up for my mistakes, but everywhere I turn some hearts will break. Someone will end up getting hurt again. There's no need to play pretend. Why don't you stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay here with me.
And then once the pillows were complete, I did want to use this felt adhesive. I kind of started using the fabric markers. I was not a huge fan of the fabric markers at all. I didn't think they worked on the felt very good. Maybe they'll work better on like a t-shirt or something, but I just decided to opt out of using them. I did want to just write out fall and trace these, but instead I cut out the letters from Dollar Tree poster letters, and I think these turned out really cute. I love how the fall is in the gray and it just stuck right on the pillow. I do really like this adhesive felt. It does stay on really, really well. I almost ruined these letters. You can tell how sticky it is because I didn't have it in the center of the pillow, so I was so unhappy with it, but I was really glad I could get it off without having to make more of these letters because this was such a pain to make. But overall, I am super happy with the way these turned out. They're not perfect by all means, but I made pillows and I'm really, really proud. This third DIY, I planned on using a wreath form, but instead I was like, I'm just going to use cardboard because that is super cheap and super easy, but I did use a wreath form to trace around it because I did want this size wreath. So I'm just using cardboard, tracing around this, and then I'm just going to cut it out so it looks like a cardboard wreath.
Why don't you stay? Oh, stay, 'cause I could really use a friend.
And next, I'm just going to take gray, white, and black of this thicker felt, and I just freehanded some leaves on here, cut them all out, and then I am now going to be making a little buffalo check type color wreath form. So I just took one, glued it down, and then I put the gray and the black on, and I just kind of fluffed it out to make it look like a wreath, and then I just kept doing opposites. I kept the white in the middle and then just switched out the black and the gray every other one. I think this looks so cute. I was not sure how it was going to turn out with my nice little freehanded leaves and my little cardboard wreath form, but I absolutely love it. I think this turned out so cute. And you can always decorate it up a little bit more. I chose to keep mine plain just because I liked it way better like this. But regardless, so happy with it. I think it just looks adorable, and you can't even tell it's made from cardboard.
Why don't you stay? Please stay, 'cause my heart really needs to mend. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay here with.
And for the very last DIY, I'm just going to use this mason jar, and I printed out buffalo check. This little mason jar came from Dollar General after their summer clearance. It was 50 cents. And then I'm just going to cut out this buffalo check. I got this off Pinterest. I will leave the link in the description box so you can print this out too. I can't find any of the scarves or anything that looks like buffalo check in my Dollar Tree. So I was super excited I found something like this. So I'm still able to make buffalo check type things. So I'm just going to use my Waverly chalk paint, paint the mason jar white, and then take Mod Podge and Mod Podge the buffalo check to the mason jar. And then once that's dry, I'm just going to take a box cutter, because that is what I had, and cut the remaining part of the paper off that I did not need.
Why don't you stay? Oh, stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a mend. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay.
And then once that was done, I did take more Mod Podge and just Mod Podge the top, and I seen some of the sides were coming up, so I just kind of redid that just a little bit so it would hold and stay secure, and that's that. And then I found this little pumpkin from the Dollar Tree, and then I just wanted the little ribbon, and I glued it to the top of the mason jar. So I tried using letters and spelling out fall, but you guys will see that it really clashed with the buffalo check, so it looked like FAO. So I did take this football sign, or this pumpkin football sign, and I just took one of the pumpkins off and painted it with a Waverly chalk paint. And then I wanted to try out the glitter, so that is why I redid the mason jar whole decor piece, because I was super unhappy with the way the fall words looked. I couldn't believe I even did that. I knew it wasn't going to turn out, and I did it anyways. But thankfully, this little football pumpkin sign saved the day. I painted it, like I said, white, and then I just took this snow-colored glitter and sprinkled it all over the top. Yes, glitter is messy, but how stinking cute does this look? It's adorable. I also had some brown glitter, and then I just put it on the top of the stem. Although it didn't hold as good, I still thought it looked really, really cute. And then I took these poster stickers from the Dollar Tree and I did spell out fall, but I just put it on the pumpkin. I know that these did not stick on the pumpkin with the glitter, but I did end up taking my hot glue gun and gluing the fall words to the pumpkin, and then I just took the pumpkin and glued that to the mason jar. You guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you Arteza again for sponsoring this video. I really have enjoyed so many of their craft products. I will leave those links in the description box below so you can check that out. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys are new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any more of my fun little DIYs, fun little videos. And yeah, you guys, see you in the next video. Bye!